Hey, welcome guys. Here in this video we're going to see how to set up a folding at home application on your Android system. I hope you guys have seen my other video where I explained more about this. If not, then go check that video out. The link is in the description and in the card section as well. So without wasting any more moments, just open up your app store and search for folding at home. Download the first app and open it up. Hit OK. And from this page we're going to select a project to contribute, so I'm going to go with this one and hit continue. In this page you're going to need to enter your credentials, so enter your email address, your name, and set up a password here and hit enter and continue. In this page it's going to show you some information how to contribute and attaching the project to the server. So after it's complete, hit continue and that's it. Now this is gonna ask me to connect to a power source and turn off my screen, but since I'm recording this video, so I'm just gonna change some settings to show you guys it's working. So go to this panel into preferences, and since my battery is 85% right now, so I'm just gonna change it to 80% and uncheck this one, and you guys can already see it's working. So that's all. And one more thing, you can check this one and change some other settings to restrict the maximum allowed storage and some other stuffs. So I hope you guys have liked this video. If you do like, go like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for stay connected.